To navigate the O2Si Catalog, first download the PDF document by clicking the Download Catalog button. This will open the catalog in a new tab, where you'll find a summary of the O2Si range. To find a part, simply hit Ctrl F for Windows or Command F for Mac and type what you are looking for into the find bar at the top of the browser. This can be done for catalog number, product name, or CAS number. Once you've found what you're looking for, simply copy this data out of the catalog, return to the O2Si homepage, and send this through to us via email using one of the hyperlinks provided.